Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable classic invert on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do invert. You just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on display here in text size. You come to next tip here, then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to classic invert, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as main classic invert enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.